Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens. In today's tutorial, we'll look at Python's string method islower. In Python, the islower method returns true if all alphabetical characters in a specified string are lowercase and there is at least one alphabetical character in the string. Otherwise, it will return false. And the syntax here for the method is the string underscore object followed by dot, and then the method islower with opening and closing parentheses. For the string method islower, there are no parameters, and the string that we'll work with here is the data underscore struct variable with a string. A data structure is a data organization, management, and storage format that enables efficient access and modification. And so we can see the string here as an output, and we'll start off with lowercase check for this string. So we'll print data underscore struct followed by the method dot islower. And so we can see here that this returns false. So not all characters in this string, not all alphabetical characters in this string are lowercase. So return false as the first letter is a capital A. And so we can then convert the string to all lowercase. So we'll create a new variable here called lower underscore string and convert the string data underscore struct to lowercase using the case fold method. And then we'll print the new output just to visually confirm that this is now all lowercase. So we can see the A, which was previously capitalized, is now lowercase. And we can now check are all characters in the string lowercase, true or false. And so lower underscore string followed by the method dot islower. And so we can see here based on the output here, this is true. Right, so this returned true. All alphabetical characters are now lowercase. And we can also check for a single letter. So we'll create a variable here called letter underscore A, which has the string A, and we'll print the output. We can see here the output is just a single letter A with no trailing or leading white space. And we can check, is the letter A in lowercase, true or false? Letter A dot islower. And we can see here based on the output here, this is true. So all alphabetical characters in a string, which in this case is just the letter A, is in lowercase. Now, a few additional checks is for empty and non-alphabetical character strings. So we can start off here by checking for an empty string. So we'll create an empty string variable with empty underscore string is equal to an empty string, and we can print empty string dot islower, and based on the output here, this returns false. Right, so return false as there needs to be a minimum of one lowercase alphabetical character, and we can also check for white space string. So we'll create a variable here called w space underscore str, which equals to a string with just a single white space, and print empty underscore string dot islower. And we can see here based on the output, this is also false, right? Return false as there is only a white space and no characters. And we can also check for special character, right? So a string where it only has a special character like the modulo operator, and print modulo op dot islower. So this also returns false. Right? So return false as symbols and special characters are not alphabetical characters. So this is how to use the islower method in Python to check if all alphabetical characters in a string are lowercase. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.